come back to me. Do you need to play it out and twist my heart around and round? Was it because you thought of either saving out or worst? Wouldn't you wait away to come back and stay with me? All the thoughts you have for me, just keep it in, let it be. You know I did everything when we were still a thing. But if you really want to go, don't leave it and just go. A taste of being free seems so bad it fades away. It doesn't matter if you stay, and if you want us to be that way. But does it bother you today, the way you brushed off my heart away? So if you really want to go, leave it and just go. Wouldn't you anyway to come back and stay with me? All the thoughts you have for me, just keep it in and let it be. You know I did everything when we were still a thing. But if you really want to go, to leave it and just go. Starting from today, not like I used to be. I no longer hope for me to see. That night's no longer what I pray. You coming back here for me. Wouldn't you anyway to come back and stay with me? All the thoughts you have for me, just keep it in and let it be. You know I did everything when we were still a thing. But if you really want to go, to leave it and just go. But if you really want to go, then leave me and